I want to start off by saying I have my long pants on, I have closed-toed shoes, I have my lab coat on, my hair is tied back, I don't have jewelry on or anything. And so first thing I'm going to do when I come in is sanitize my bench top. And then I'm going to wipe it down. Okay, and then I'm going to go wash my hands and then come back and put on some gloves. So I made this nifty little setup, but I have all my tubes in this bowl, separated each into different sections. Okay, and then I have my Bunsen burner right here. Bunsen burner. Okay, put that right there. And so I'm going to come, and this is my specimen, or my culture, that's what it's called. And then this is my liquid tube, and then I have my slant and my stab. So I'm going to come and turn on my Bunsen burner, and then I'm going to grab my culture, and I'm going to flame my inoculating loop till it turns bright red, about 10 seconds. And then I'm going to take this off with my pinky. Okay, and I'm gonna dip it in here. All right, and then, I gotta flame it, then dip it in here, then flame it again. And then I'll close that and set that back to the side. And then I'm going to take my liquid tube and take the cap off that with my pinky. And then I'm gonna flame it. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this in here and swirl it around. Okay, and then I'm gonna flame my tube again. And then I'll put the cap back on and set that to the side. And then I will flame this again, my inoculating tube, my inoculating loop. And then I'm going to get my culture back out, take that off, flame this. Okay, and then I'm gonna dip this back in, and then flame my tube again, stick that back in there. And then I'm gonna grab my slant. So I have my slant here. I'm gonna take that off, and I'm gonna flame it. Okay, and then I'm gonna take it and go in and do a zigzag. Okay, and then I'll flame this again, and then I'll stick the lid back on, and then I will flame my inoculating loop. Okay, then I'm going to take, I'm gonna put my inoculating loop to the side. I'm gonna take my inoculating stab, and then I'm gonna take my culture with my pinky, flame that, and then I'm gonna flame this, and then I'm going to stick this in there. Okay, and then I'll flame my tube again, put the cap back on, set that to the side. And so then I'll take my stab, take it off with my pinky, and then I'll go ahead and just stab it right about to the middle, and then pull it back out. And then I'll flame this again, stick that back on there, set it in there, flame my inoculating stab, and then set that to the side. And now I'm going to make sure that all my tubes are labeled with the date, the specimen or the culture, and then also my initials. And I'm gonna put them in a 37°C incubator overnight to cool. And so now I'm going to sanitize my station again. Okay, wipe it down. Okay, and then I'm going to take my gloves off, throw them in the trash, and then go wash my hands. And then I am all done.